Hello everyone, in this video we are solving medium difficulty level challenge. So here remove odd numbers and keep the even numbers. So here the challenge is to remove all the odd numbers from a list and return only the even numbers. So this means that given a list of numbers, our function should filter out the odd values and keep the even ones in their original order. So let me explain this using these test cases. So if the input is this first test case, then the function should return 2468 because these are the even numbers. And if the input is test case 2, it should return 6 because there is only one even number in this list. And in this third test case, the input is this, it should return these values because these are the even numbers. Function to solve this challenge: function remove odds, and it will take one argument first as an input. We have to use Python's list comprehension method here to iterate through this list. For num in first, this part iterates over each item in the list, and num represents the current item in the list during each iteration. For example, if list contains 1, 2, 3, 4, it will first assign num equal 1 and then num equals 2 and so on. Now this condition n mod 2 checks if the current number is even. So the expression num mod 2 calculates the remainder when num is divided by 2. So if the remainder is 0, then num is even, and if the remainder is not 0, then obviously num is odd, and this num returns the result. That's the whole list comprehension. So now let's test it with these given test cases. First, print remove odds, test case 1. So now when we run this, we get the outputs here. These are all even numbers. So let me add one more test case here just for the experiment. And here it is. So we used Python's list comprehension method to filter even numbers. Try experimenting with different lists and observe the results and get familiar with Python's filtering methods. So now let's solve another medium difficulty level challenge: purge and organize. We need to create a function that takes a list of integers and returns a sorted list with duplicates removed. So we have to remove duplicate numbers from that list and sort the numbers in ascending order. That means from smallest to the largest. And let's go through some test cases to understand this challenge better. So here the input is 1, 2, 4, 3. That's test case 1. So we remove duplicates and sort the numbers. So the final result is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are no duplicates here in this test case 1. In this second test case, the input is this. There are few duplicates here. So we first remove duplicates, which leaves us this output, and that's the sorted output. And if the input is test case 3, so after removing the duplicate and sorting the list, we get this output. So I hope you see the pattern now. Let's solve this challenge. So let's create a function unique sort. First is an argument here. We are using set to remove duplicates in this statement, and we are using sorted to sort the list. So how this works, we are using two methods here, set and sorted. Set will convert the list into a set, and set will automatically remove the duplicate values, and the sorted method will take the numbers and sort them in the ascending order. So now let's test our function with the given test cases. So here when I run this, we get these outputs. Let's add another test case just for the testing purpose. and you can see here we are getting the correct output as well. So in this challenge we used Python set and sorted methods. So you can experiment with this function yourself and try different test cases. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.